Hi, welcome to WZH Container House. I'm Lisa. Today, I have a huge surprise for you. Now you can see that it is a 6-meter long stretched container. This box loaded and unloaded very easily. Let us now look at the inside of the box. The box is equipped with a power system as standard, and the box is equipped with an extended structure. After pushing open, the total extended size is 5.8 meters. The width is about 4 meters, and the height is about 2.5 meters. The box can be used as an office, exhibition hall, or fast food restaurant. See that the cabinet, sinks, and toilets have been installed and shipped with the box. When you receive the goods, you only have to put the equipment in the kitchen or put the furniture in the place you like, etc. This box is equipped with a water and electricity system as a standard. This time, the container is from France, so the water and electricity system of our box conforms to EU certification. Of course, if you are from the United States, we can also provide electricity and hydropower systems that are certified by the United States. You only need to tell me your country or area, and then we can be equipped with the corresponding system. If you are interested in this product, please contact us as soon as possible. If you are also interested in our company, you can visit Alibaba website or official website.